often do you pay attention to your sense of touch? Like paying attention to what textures you notice or what textures you like and don't like? What kinds of things are you drawn to? What kinds of things do you avoid? Just pay attention. Does it affect the type of clothing that you wear? Does it affect the choices that you make and the activities that you do? How does your sense of touch affect your life? A lot of times we don't pay attention to these kinds of things, but a sense of self-awareness is important to understand why we make the choices that we make, and then we can model that self-awareness for the children that we work with. So pay attention to your sense of touch. What kinds of things do you avoid touching? What kinds of things do you like touching? This sounds suggestive, and I don't mean it to be, but pay attention to your sense of touch. Please like, share, and comment if you feel so inclined, and subscribe to my page as well. If you'd like to learn more, please click the link in the description to my Sensory Mindful Starter Kit, which is a free mini course describing sensory literacy and why it's so important. Thank you so much, and remember to mind your senses.